so we team efforted the trans in.
All four of us.
To get it up and in there.
We get a little too old to lift a big old thing like that.
Yeah, it hurts Burnsy and I now. So we make the kids do it. So Xander's tightening up the Bellhousing bolts. Or not the Bellhousing bolts. Well, the Bellhousing bolts do need to be tightened up too up top.
No, they're tight.
Not the top two.
We got the top two?
Yeah, they're loose. Those are not tight. So that's getting done. These are getting done. And then the shifter can get mounted and all that stuff. That'll be finished up. And we'll get the trans mount in.
So we're doing the trans mount first.
And then all this fun will be culminating. That's good. Ooh, Burnsy.
Yes, sir.
We get to finally finish up Driveshaft gate. Remember? Remember his Driveshaft? We ordered one and they gave us the wrong yoke. And 4 yokes later, I finally got the right one.
Yeah.
We finally get to put his new Driveshaft in.
Oh, nice.
Joey, we're finally going to put in your shaft. Alright. Xander's been busy up in here. Knocking out the shift linkages. Got the shifter on. Got the cross member. Even Riley got that.
Yeah.
He's wrestled that in. We still need to do the clutch. Chingadera there. Easy peasy. We'll get that in a bit. We can put the drive shaft in. That'll be nice.
Has not been fun working on it.
No.
Say that.
No, but you're getting it. Everything's looking good. Everything's coming along where it's supposed to go. And then we might have to adjust the shift linkages and everything, but we'll get it dialed. Speedo gears in. Everything's good here. I need to put some gear oil in it once I get the drive shaft in. And then probably have you do the starter. And then we'll put the exhaust in. This exhaust I have to re-weld. But coming along. Getting closer. Getting closer. Alright. Xander, we got the drive shaft in.
Yeah, we did.
Nice. Nice, sir. Nicely done. It's alright. So you're wrapping up shift linkages?
Yeah, except I need to put it in gear to get this one passed.
Alright, well, they'll do it. And now you're dropping things. Alright, so we got that. We've got to do our parking brake cables. We need to do our clutch push rod. Starter's got to go in. And we got to put the exhaust manifolds on, get the exhaust done. I got to weld it back up. Getting close. Getting closer and closer and closer. Good job. We've had to put this drive shaft in. That's exciting because we've been trying to. Yeah, that was yoke gate. What are you doing?
Taking it off because that's the pin that came off.
Ah, got it.
No, it's all loose.
All right, we'll check on that in a little bit.